Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is my first On running sneaker. I'm really excited about this, and let's get right into it. So check out the box. This is the On running Cloud X size 10, so 44 Europe. You have the O and then you have the N. It has this card, scan that if you want. Not a lot in the box, and look at the design on the inside. I went with this colorway, orange, very nice, and this, I really don't know what color this is. It says C on the box, C and orange. If you watch my videos, you know I cannot keep a sneaker stock like that, so the only thing I did to these is just a simple lace swap. I decided that the sneaker really needed a third colorway, so I went with some rope white laces, and I think that looks very nice. So if the camera can focus on the lace tips, it says "put me on them." Very nice and useless detail. All right, so I'm going to wear these even more, and I'm going to give you a full breakdown. So I have been wearing these for a few days. The things I don't like, the first thing is the name. The name is kind of boring in my opinion. And the second thing I don't like, it's too much branding. So I think we have a new champion which managed to outbrand Nike. We have one logo here, 2, 3 and a half, 4, 5. I'm pretty sure I'm going to find another one. This much branding is not really necessary. You can tell right away which brand this is. Another thing I don't like, these are very expensive. Too expensive in my opinion. This midsole sounds hollow because it's hollow, but I'm not really enjoying this hollow sound. The materials are kind of meh. The padding here on the back is close to 0. This tongue also is very thin. Another thing I don't really like, these lace hoops, these are useless. If we're talking about the comfort, probably because this is a lightweight sneaker, but these are kind of uncomfortable. After a few kilometers, I felt some pain in my toes. This midsole, it's not really that squishy. It will gather dirt, mud and shit like hell. The things I like about the sneaker, the design, especially the lines, and you can clearly tell there was an actual designer that designed these. If we look at these two lines here, they are parallel. One goes up, this goes a bit down, and it looks like someone really put some thought into designing these. I really like how they match this sock liner colorway with the midsole, and I really like this midsole situation. This is wider at the bottom here and more narrow towards the top of the midsole, and it has this really nice shape with this final hole into the midsole. That's a very, very nice touch. This is still a fresh brand. It's a nice way to try some other brands and see what they are doing, because I'm not really sponsored by anyone, so I can do whatever I want with my money. That is my review of these. This is the On running Cloud X. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.